So yeah, I am back, and I am doing the Rangers card scanner app that you can get on your iPod. It's for free on the App Store on iTunes. So yeah, and basically what you do is you scan all the individual cards that you have, and you get them in a collection, I think, and you know their power level and all that other stuff. And you get certain bonus clips from each one. So yeah. And you get a generic sound for it scanning. And if you match up the barcode right, that's for Megaforce Red. This is obviously really animated. Yeah, this is animated right here. Yeah, and depending on what card it is, that really determines the time length and the yeah. Ooh, and you get a random power level with the card scanner. So yeah, next is Wild Force Red. Huh, that's weird. It played a different version of the Wild Force Rangers theme song. Next is Ninja Storm Red. That's the regular version of the theme song. This is weird. Saban should have gotten all the rights back to Power Rangers, including the theme songs when he bought it back from Disney. So that's weird. Then again, they could have made a couple versions of the Wild Force theme song. Seeing as Wild Force, I think, is considered the first Disney-era Power Rangers team. So yeah, that's SPD Red. So yeah, I'm getting really high power levels. Huh. It's over now? Vegeta, what does the scouter say about his power level? It's over 9,000! You know, that old internet meme. So yeah. Next is Mystic Force Red. Gotta love that weird Disney era hip hop music for the theme songs. Got a low power level. It's 1006. You know, trying to do imitations of the Team 4-Star cast. Okay, Jungle Fury Red. And the reason I'm having the cards on my bed, instead of, in my hands, is that I have really shaky hands for some reason. Most of the time. Yeah, and I can't explain it. So, instead of having both of them in my hands, I'll just have one in my hand. That's my iPod. So yeah, the Megaforce Rangers, sword. Come on, scan, you damn thing. Okay. Again, the exact card will vary the animation that you see. You can obviously tell that this is CGI that they put in there, but it's really good CGI too, even for an app. So yeah. Next is the Final Strike card. I want to say that, but I know it's not right. It's a type of Final Strike card, I think. Come on. So, yeah. And these were released early, so it's if you got these early, then the series release, you got a sneak peek at the various parts of the power level 2. And that's not even what the real power levels are. So, yeah. So next, the Gosei Great Megazord. And I think you have to have a Wi-Fi connection when you're using this app. Otherwise it won't work if you're trying to scan the cards. And might I just say that even though bringing back the retro theme song to Mighty Morphin, Zeo, and Alien Rangers is sort of okay, sort of cool, sort of very retro, since I consider this series a reboot series. It just seems sort of weird and sort of lazy at the same time. I know it was for Samurai, and Saban just bought back the rights to Power Rangers, and he adapted Samurai. You know, it's just weird not making a new theme song. Just changing up the lyrics somewhat and having the singer re-record some lines. You know, it's weird. So yeah, those are all the cards I have currently. As of the recording of this video, I have all of those cards. So yeah. So yeah, that is how you use the card scanner. So So yeah. Till next time, guys. Yeah. Comment, rate, subscribe, go to my channel, go to my second channel, follow me on Twitter, links in the description, and I will see you guys later.